So hey everyone, this is GCP Decode. In this video, we will discuss about this lab. So simply open your Google Cloud Console in incognito window after starting the lab. And then just wait for some time. Then click on this I understand. Then simply click on this I agree and then agree and continue. Now for this lab, simply open your cloud cell from here. I mean activate your cloud cell from here. And then close that pop-up. Then click on this continue. After this, you have to authorize yourself and then click on this authorize. Just wait for some time. And okay, so after activating your cloud cell, simply come onto the lab instruction page, come onto the task number 1, and we have to set our region and zone. From here, simply copy the first command, paste it here in the cloud cell, and then simply copy the second command from here, paste it here, enter. Then third one, this is to set our zone, so simply paste this here and enter. Then the last command, which is fourth number, copy this, paste it here and hit enter. Yeah, done. Now come to this section, finding project information. Simply copy the first command, paste it here and hit enter. You will get your project ID. This means you are good to go. Then copy the second command, paste and enter. And this is it. Okay, just hold on for a second. Okay. After running this command, come to this setting environment variables. And okay, listen this. You have to run all this command. Do not skip any of this command. Otherwise, you will get the error in the next task. Okay, so just run all these commands. Okay, let's set our environment variables. Copy the first command from here, paste it here in Cloud Cell and hit enter. Okay, our configuration is active, and then simply copy the second command, paste and enter. And the third one. Okay, our project ID and zone is set. Now we have to create a virtual machine using gcloud, I mean command line interface. Simply copy this command. This will create a virtual machine and paste it here in this cloud cell. Now just wait for some time. This command will take like 2 to 3 minutes. So just wait for some time. As you can see, we have got our output, which is similar to this. If you are getting output after running this command, if you are getting output similar to this, it means you are done with this task. You can simply click on check my progress. You will get the score here. Okay, just hold on. Okay, so we have got the green tick here. We are done with the task number 1. Then simply jump to the task number 4, which is updating the firewall. Copy the first command. This will give you all the rules for the firewall. Paste it here. Okay. Oh, here you can see I have copied any extra value. So you also just while copying, just make sure you are not copying any extra value or any extra space. Simply copy the command only, paste it here and hit enter. Now this will give all the list of the firewall rules. Now scroll down a little bit. You will get the command, another command in the point number 3. Copy this command from point number 3 of task number 4, paste it here and hit enter. Now just wait for some time. And yeah, this is updating and done. Now what you have to do is the last command. Simply copy this. It will update the firewall rule. It will update the firewall rule. Simply copy the fourth command, paste and enter. And this is creating the firewall. So just wait for some time. Okay, so we have got the output here. Means we are done with this. Simply click on check my progress. We will get the green tick here and we have got the green tick here. So we are done with this lab. Now you can simply end the lab from here, and if you have any doubt, just let me in the comment. Let me know in the comment section, or you can join our Telegram group. Link is in the description. So make sure to join the Telegram group for the updates and notification about the Google Cloud Arcade. So yeah, that's all for this tutorial. See you in the next one.